I poured 1 cup of alcohol vinegar into my toilet bowl and look what happened in just 30 seconds. This tip will surprise you all. Before I start talking more about this, tell me which city you're watching us from. I really like to know where our videos are going. Alcohol vinegar is rich in acetic acid, that is, it helps both in cleaning your home and fighting to kill bacteria and fungi. If you take approximately 2 liters of water, add 15 milliliters of alcohol vinegar and mix very well. When you go to mop your house, see what happens. The floor is much cleaner and much brighter. It is much more efficient than many other products that sell on the market. This is very cool. And another thing, it helps to kill bacteria, fungi, ants and more. You can also use it on glass, such as in the box, windows and mirror. Just pass the cloth along with the same vinegar solution. This solution will help to remove the dirt. It will look much clearer, both on the floor and on the glass. If you want to kill ants using alcohol vinegar, you will put 100 milliliters of water to 15 or 20 milliliters of alcohol. And how to apply? You just put it in a spray bottle and apply it on top of the ants. They all die, folks. It's very impressive. But how do I wash the shower in my house or my toilet? It's quite simple. The toilet, as we know, is a proliferation of bacteria. So it contains a lot of bacteria in it, and even some types of fungi. And much more that can harm our health. Alcohol vinegar then, folks, will solve this problem. Let's say you wash your toilet with some kind of washing powder or something. You will add 10 milliliters of alcohol vinegar together with the soap powder. Then you will wash your toilet normally as usual. It will be much cleaner and will kill all fungi and bacteria in just 30 seconds. You may find that the smell will be very strong after it dries, because of the alcohol vinegar. And no, it won't. The smell disappears in time, you can believe and trust. That was today's tip, folks. I really hope you liked it. And before finishing this video, I would like to pass on a message that is in Acts chapter 1 verse 7. He answered them. It is not for you to know the times or dates which the Father has set by his own authority. The disciples had so many questions for Jesus. He provided many answers for them, but he also expressed that there were some things they just couldn't know. Letting them know the dates and times of God's plans could very well keep them from seeking God in the meantime. Jesus wanted them to know that God has ultimate authority over time, and that trusting this would allow them to come to a faith far greater than knowledge of dates ever could. May God bless you and all your family. A big hug and until the next video. Goodbye.